If you often wake up feeling stiff, or every step reminds you of that dull ache in your joints, you are not alone. Millions of adults experience joint pain that slowly steals comfort from everyday life. Most people reach for medicine bottles, injections, or even consider surgery, believing that relief only comes from prescriptions. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools to calm inflammation is not in your medicine cabinet, but sitting quietly inside your refrigerator? I am talking about yogurt. A humble food that could hold the key to soothing your aching joints. As a doctor, I have seen patients who spent years chasing stronger painkillers, while the real answer was hiding in their diet. Recent studies now show that certain types of yogurt, rich in beneficial bacteria called probiotics, can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including your joints. These live cultures restore balance to your gut, improve digestion, and naturally lower the immune reactions that cause swelling and stiffness. In this video, I will reveal 3 special types of yogurt that every person with arthritis or chronic joint pain should know about. They are simple, affordable, and easy to include in your daily meals. I will explain how each kind supports your bones, muscles, and connective tissues in different but powerful ways. So stay with me until the end, because one of these yogurts may completely change how your body feels. And before we dive in, please take a second to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another health tip made especially for you. If you are part of our growing community, type 1 in the comments to let me know you are still here. If this is your first visit, share the name of your city so I can personally welcome you. Now, let us begin with the first yogurt that could be your body's best ally against stiffness and pain. Part 1. Full-fat yogurt with live cultures nourishing your joints from within. When most people hear the words full-fat, they immediately think of something unhealthy. But when it comes to joint health, full-fat yogurt deserves a second look. It is not the fat that harms your body, but rather the type of nutrients that come with it. Full-fat yogurt provides healthy fats that help your body absorb 2 important vitamins for bone and joint strength: vitamin D and vitamin K2. Vitamin D improves calcium absorption, while vitamin K2 ensures that calcium ends up in your bones instead of your arteries. Strong bones are the foundation that protect your joints from extra stress. If your bones weaken, your joints are forced to carry a heavier burden, leading to stiffness and pain. What makes full-fat yogurt truly remarkable, however, is its live cultures. These probiotics work deep inside your gut, calming inflammation from the inside out. Inflammation is the hidden fire behind arthritis pain, and probiotics help cool that fire by restoring balance to your gut microbiome. When harmful bacteria dominate, toxins can leak into the bloodstream and trigger inflammation throughout the body, including your joints. To get the full benefit, choose yogurt labeled live and active cultures. Avoid added sugars, since sugar is one of the main causes of inflammation. If you prefer sweetness, use natural options like berries or a touch of raw honey. And if you sometimes feel discomfort with dairy, start with small portions. Many people who cannot tolerate milk find that yogurt is easier to digest because the live cultures break down much of the lactose. The fermentation process makes it gentler on the stomach and more nutrient-rich. Once you begin to include full-fat yogurt regularly, you may notice your joints feeling looser and your movements smoother. But this is only the first step. The next yogurt on our list builds even more muscle protection and support. Greek yogurt. Part 2. Greek yogurt, building strong muscles to protect weak joints. Greek yogurt has quietly earned its place as one of the most powerful allies for people living with joint pain. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt goes through an extra straining process that removes excess liquid, creating a thicker texture and a higher concentration of nutrients. This difference makes it a true superfood for those with arthritis or joint stiffness. One of its greatest advantages is protein. Greek yogurt contains nearly twice as much protein as regular yogurt, which is vital for maintaining the muscles that support your joints. When those muscles stay strong, they act as natural shock absorbers, reducing the stress and pressure on fragile joints. In other words, more muscle means less pain. Along with protein, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics that balance your gut microbiome, improving digestion and reducing the type of inflammation that often spreads to the joints. Many people underestimate how closely gut health and inflammation are connected. When your digestive system is out of balance, harmful bacteria can trigger immune reactions that worsen swelling and stiffness. By restoring harmony in your gut, probiotics in Greek yogurt help your body calm those inflammatory signals naturally. It also delivers key nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and sometimes vitamin D, all of which work together to strengthen bones and support joint function. For an even greater benefit, try combining Greek yogurt with foods that fight inflammation. Add a handful of walnuts for omega-3 fatty acids, a small pinch of turmeric for its soothing properties, or use Greek yogurt as a healthier replacement for mayonnaise in dressings or dips. These simple swaps can make your daily meals both healing and satisfying. And if you cannot consume dairy, do not worry. There are other options that can give you similar benefits. Let us move on to the next type of yogurt designed for those who prefer a plant-based lifestyle. Part 3. Plant-based yogurt with probiotics, gentle nourishment for sensitive bodies. For many people, dairy products can cause discomfort, bloating, or inflammation. That does not mean you must give up on yogurt's healing power. Plant-based yogurts now offer a wonderful alternative that supports joint health while being kind to your digestion. These yogurts are made from ingredients such as almonds, coconuts, cashews, soy, oats, and even pea protein. Each one brings unique nutrients that help your body fight inflammation and protect your joints. The key is to look for the phrase live cultures on the label. That is where the real probiotic magic happens. Coconut yogurt is one of the richest and creamiest options. It contains natural fats called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which have been shown to help lower inflammatory markers in the body. When inflammation calms, joint stiffness and pain often decrease too. Almond yogurt offers another kind of benefit. Almonds are full of vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that helps shield your joint tissues from oxidative stress. This protection can slow down the breakdown of cartilage and ease the burning discomfort that comes with arthritis. Cashew yogurt, while less common, is full of magnesium, a mineral your muscles and bones need to move smoothly. Magnesium deficiency is often linked to stiffness and increased inflammation. So restoring healthy levels can make a noticeable difference in flexibility. One major advantage of plant-based yogurt is how easily your body digests it. The absence of lactose makes it a gentler option for people with sensitive stomachs. You can enhance its benefits by adding chia seeds, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds for extra omega-3 and antioxidants. Mixing in berries. cinnamon, or turmeric can turn a simple bowl into a powerful anti-inflammatory meal. Whether you choose coconut, almond, or cashew yogurt, the goal is the same: to feed your body nutrients that heal instead of harm. And now, let us bring everything together with a final message about how these choices can truly transform your daily comfort and long-term joint health. Doctor's final words. Small daily choices build a pain-free future. These 3 types of yogurt are more than just foods. They are small daily decisions that can change how your body feels and functions over time. Whether you choose full-fat yogurt with live cultures, rich in nutrients that protect your bones, Greek yogurt that strengthens the muscles around your joints, or plant-based yogurt that calms inflammation while supporting your digestion, each spoonful is a quiet step toward healing. Many of my patients tell me they never imagined something as simple as yogurt could make such a difference. But science continues to prove that the gut and the joints are deeply connected. When your digestion is balanced, inflammation throughout your body often begins to settle, allowing your joints to move with greater ease and less pain. The key is consistency. Do not expect overnight miracles. True healing comes from daily habits, not quick fixes. Start with 1 serving a day. Listen to how your body responds and build from there. Over the weeks, you may find that your movements feel lighter, your mornings less stiff, and your energy more stable. Share these ideas with someone you love who struggles with the same discomfort. Sometimes, the smallest piece of advice can give someone back their comfort and hope. Remember, these foods are meant to complement your treatment, not replace it. So always speak with your doctor before making major changes. Health is a journey, and every small act of care counts. If this video gave you something valuable, press like, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss future tips. Leave a comment below telling me which yogurt you plan to try first. Together, we can build a community that grows stronger, one mindful choice at a time.